In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make a Gimkit game as a student. Now, this is my student account dashboard. As you can see, to create a game, it's going to be really simple. Inside this page, we have the home button, kits, and join game. But on the other side of the screen, you have something like the discovery, creative, and rewards. Simply click on the creative option, and from here we then have the tutorial on creating our Gimkit game. So to simply get started, just click on the create new map option. In here you then want to simply choose the type of your game. To make things easier, I'll just select platformer, and then let's enter the name of my map. Click on create button, and from there you can then get started creating a Gimkit game as a student. Wait for the page to finish loading, and from here, as you can see, we can now do things our way, which is by adding something like terrains, props, wires, and more. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.